Are we able to go down or do we have to go up?
Up.
Up? Okay. We're gonna go to the second floor. Now we'll go back down to 1. There's the serial number. Are we able to go up one more time, or if one time up and down is fine? Am I able to go up one more time?
Yes, sure.
Thank you very much. All right, let's go back up. Let's get a look at the cab. Very nice.
And what do you do with these when they're?
I just, you know, I just like to, I store them up and then I share them with some of my friends that also like it. All right, I'm gonna just get a video of it closing up and then that will be it. And that's it.